I'm Pieter. I've been studying the Earth climate for a little over 50 years now. And I started doing that when I was still a student in the Netherlands. We ran a network that sampled air all over the world. So we had a lot of collaborators over the entire world at like 50 to sometimes 70 different sites where they would take an air sample for us, or actually a pair of air samples every week. And the sites would be, we would select these sites very carefully. A lot of them with not too close to forests, for example, because then CO2 goes up and down really fast from day to night and becomes hard to interpret. And a box with 4 sample flasks in them, and then they would take 2 samples one week and 2 samples the next week, etc. And we kept them supplied with boxes. And then they came back and we analyzed them. First, only for CO2, and then later for other greenhouse gases, methane, nitrous oxide, sulfur hexafluoride. So the atmosphere is composed of, first of all, nitrogen gas, secondly, oxygen gas, and then comes argon. Those three gases are already 99% of the entire atmosphere. And when the sun shines on the Earth's atmosphere, there's no absorption. Uh, most of it goes right through to the surface of the Earth. And so the Earth will heat up. Now, the greenhouse gases, they absorb. And the Earth, also emits infrared radiation. And that's how the Earth is capable of maintaining a constant temperature. So the Earth is always absorbing solar energy, certainly during the day, but on average, every year, it absorbs energy from the sun. And there must be something that gets rid of the energy, because otherwise the Earth would warm up and warm up and warm up. And what gets rid of the energy is infrared. So the Earth emits infrared radiation, and a lot of that goes to space. And that helps to keep the Earth at a constant temperature. Now, if you now put in the atmosphere gases that absorb infrared radiation, the Earth can emit less to space because it's captured by these greenhouse gases. That's what the greenhouse gases do. They capture the infrared radiation that is emitted by every object on the surface of the Earth. But now suddenly we add extra greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. There's more CO2 now, and more methane, more nitrous oxide, and the industrial gases. They capture a larger and larger fraction of that radiation that otherwise would go to space. And so the Earth will have to heat up. So that's how greenhouse gases, what they do for the Earth.